Hey Flame,
What's up with it, homie?
a wise man once told me that you're only as strong as your team.
Man.
Oh my Lord, that's my dog, over there bleeding, he been shot. Leave my dirty while he down, forsake my dog, I think not. Before I do that, I'd rather lay down, die here with my dirty first. That's something that I learned in the hood, I ain't even learned that day in church. See my homie, take a slug, lay his life down for his block. Tired of seeing his homies die, so we stood and took their spot. And he wouldn't say, that's why how we treat each other, I'm appalled. We sit back and straight applaud, laughing at each other fall. They say it's beef, this not beef, I had beef and lost my dogs. Man, I'm feeling just like Paul, glad I ain't baptized none of y'all. We supposed to be one body but different members. Remember folks, point the members dirty, we are all sinners. They supposed to know we hate by our love for one another. How you supposed to love your God when you can't even love your brother? We pray for strength that we can do, believe me, we ain't turning back. But if my dirt is slipping, that means I got to double back.
One man down, two men down, three men down, we got four men down, but still
We coming for you, man. Believe that.
One man down, two men down, we got three men down, we got four men down, but still that's fine. That's my double back and get 'em. That's my double back and get 'em. That's my double back and double back.
Man, it breaks my heart when I see another brother fall. When I see another sister fall, I think about the Apostle Paul said, if anyone is caught in sin, spiritual men should go restore. In the